My name is Sham Kafai. Today let's talk about 3D printing evaluation. First, do you think 3D printing in dentistry is worth it and why? I think it's yes. 15 plus crowns or a month in 8 to 10 months. Same day surveys boost profits and marketing. Second, what are the most interesting things you found at the link? 25 midnight guards, US $1,199 fast resin, 8,000 denture prints, and PH book by saving 30%, plus 200 post failure library on wrapping fixes. Number three, what might make it more feasible? I think bound-lead wash or Cura stations, local resin supply, FDA or CE validation uh, templates, and one-click design export, and local study clubs for quick training. So that's all for the 3D printing evaluation. Thank you.